Alright, we're coming to Wilmington RV. We're on Ohio Route 380, just southeast of Dayton, just below Interstate 71. We're going to show you how we get to our campsite. Come through here, and there's the office, and you can hear our navigation. That's the office and a clubhouse there. Sorry for the dirty windows. A basketball court that hasn't been used since the 1800s right there. One dumpster. And that's where you'll stop to check in for when you come into the campground. We're going to hand this over to the lovely Mrs. here. And then you have a number pad here. The secret code for special people. Now we will proceed to the campsite. We just got done our dinner at Marian's Piazza. And over here, you see this is Loop A, I think. Is this Loop A?
Correct.
This is where we are.
A little bit further. Past that paradigm. Tucked away in a little behind the tree.
There we are behind that tree there. I'm going to do what I just did. I don't want it. That's a dump station right below us to the left there. But we have a full hookup at our site. Just got it. There we go. To the right is Loop B. And we're going to make a left over here to Loop A.
Down by that pickup truck is where the pool is.
And that secondary clubhouse, or whatever that is. Dumpsters on both sides, overflowing. Laundry facility here on the left.
There's miniature golf behind it.
Oh yes, let me show you the mini golf. Let me guess, nobody's going to be playing. Nope, nobody playing.
But they redid it.
We're over there, but we'll go up around the way we would with the RV. What is this building here?
That's the little library.
Oh, we have a library.
Yeah, it's actually kind of cool. All the campgrounds, whatever book you finish, you bring your book that you're done and switch it for a different one. So it's a buy one, get one.
That's very exciting.
I guess it's not a buy one, get one.
Give one, get one.
Get one, get one. Yeah, one of those things. It's actually pretty cool. A lot of campgrounds have that. So buy a couple books for the summer and you read all summer. Keep switching them out at each site.
Some nice Class A motorhomes here. Now they have, I don't see a lot of campgrounds with this. Right here they have two sites that are just overnight. There's no hookups. There might be electric box.
I think there is electric.
Sure.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, they have electric, but
and
nothing
water.
else. Is there water there?
Yep, I have
okay.
water.
Yes, they're for one night only.
So you don't have to unhook. You can just go.
Yeah, they're long. If you have a trailer or a toad, you don't have to unhook. Obvious Ohio State fan there.
OH. There's Odyssey Studios.
There's the Odyssey right there. This is the shower and bath house. We have nice big showers, toilets and whatnot. What is this building here,
The
Jim?
game room for the kids.
Oh, the game room for the kids.
Yep.
I forgot about that. And these are our neighbors here, and
A couple Florida people.
straight ahead, this is our Odyssey the home of Odyssey Studios. You can hold that while I back up. Anything you'd like to add?
Florida couple down there.
Oh, we have another Florida couple. That's very exciting.
Couples right around us. Nice people.
They're the best people in the world.
We're here.
I should have that. And when we do go for a couple hours, we'll turn the water off. Hey, how you doing, buddy? That's our neighbor there. Turn the water back on. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
That's our picnic table. We'd usually have it out and sit up under the awning, but it's been so hot that who's going to sit outside? Somebody has some leftover pizza. Huh? I'll come back and get that.
Go ahead.
No, I'm waiting for you.
I don't want you both to fall in.
No, it's all right. Open the door for the lovely missus here. No little kitty waiting for us.
Oh, I'm sure she'll come in. Baby.
And here we are in the motorhome, Odyssey Studios. That completes our trip back to the camper. Say bye, darling.
Bye, darling.
Here we are again. The unbelievable RV tour continues on. We are now in
Dayton, Ohio.
Dayton, Ohio, she said, for those that didn't hear her. And why are we in Dayton?
Visit my kids and grandkids.
Yes, Dayton is a good, we have a campground in our membership that we stay at with our dues. And for this weekend, we came out here from Pennsylvania, or we stopped in Akron, Ohio at our friend Wilson and Wendy's house.
Thanks, guys.
Then we came here to a little town called Wilmington, where our campground is. It's about 45 minutes from her daughter, who lives in New Carlisle.
Correct.
And the Wilmington campground, Thousand Trails, is about 110 miles from where I would have been gigging tomorrow night. But that's the other news, is the unbelievable RV tour has suffered its first casualty to the heat.
To the heat.
The place I play, each tour, he asked to cancel because it's going to be 107 real feel and the gig is outside in a parking lot like this.
It's hot.
So that's hot, so they canceled. But Turner Fest is still on for Saturday.
Yay!
Up in Findlay,
See you
Ohio.
soon.
And both of those gigs would have been about a 2-hour drive each way, but that's what you got to do when you're putting a tour together. You got to find a campground that's in the center of everything, which we have one of those, and then do it accordingly. After this trip in Dayton, we are out to Elkhart, Indiana to get our warranty service done in the RV, just some minor issues before the warranty runs out on June 7th. Now we're going to show you, we're going to meet Cheryl's daughter, Natasha, and her son, Kieran. But
Hopefully Jenna.
we are at a place in Dayton called Marian's Piazza. It's a pizza place where you order at the counter, but it's really neat. And this is where they cut it into them real tiny squares, right?
Yes.
They cut it into real tiny squares. And I'm going to show you where we are here. Let's stop. And there we are at Marian's Pizza. We're in Beaver Creek area of Dayton, right?
Correct.
And this is the plaza we're in. Big shopping plaza. So the daughter's not here yet. So, but we're gonna go in and
get ready to eat and see what they have. It's a big place.
How about you? How about this corner?
We can get that corner, sure.
Were you going there? We can go back.
I'm just going to show you. This is where you'll order your food. Very nice. Then you bring it out here. Welcome to the 2024 Unbelievable RV Tour and the Unbelievable RV Tour channel. We are in Dayton, Ohio, the Beaver Creek section of Dayton. So we're in a plaza here. And why are we in Dayton right now? After Pennsylvania, we come over to Dayton because we have a campground here that we're members of in the Thousand Trail system. And it's very centrally located. I had booked a gig in Frankfort, Kentucky, which is about a 2-hour drive, which is just within limit of a gig on the tour. A 2-hour drive, 100 miles or so from the campground for tomorrow night, Friday night, the 21st. And then in Findlay, Ohio, which is 120 miles north, for Saturday. Well, suffered our first casualty as the Frankfort, Kentucky at La Fiesta Grande has been canceled because it's so hot. It's an outdoor gig on a parking lot, their party lot, and it's going to be 107 degrees. So the owner said, look, sorry, but I'm like, that's okay. Losing a good bit of money, but that's the way it goes when you book something like this. We will be having our Turner Fest on Saturday up in Finland for Dennis and Peggy. For right now, we're going to have some dinner at another one of our favorite pizza places. This place is really neat. It's called Marian's Piazza. Piazza, Marian's. Let's go in and see what's happening there. There is Marian's Piazza. Let's go in and see what's going on in here. It's a quick pizza place. You make your own order, and it's real big with lots of tables. And they cut it into them little squares, the pizza. And they do have a cauliflower or a gluten-free crust. Oh, I got people waiting. The lovely Mrs. and her daughter Natasha.
That's really cool.
And Natasha's stepdaughter Jenna. Say unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
2136.
All right, Natasha and Jenna got the, is that extra cheese or is that just one cheese?
It's extra cheese.
Extra cheese and pepperoni. Go hook me up, baby.
I will.
All right, now Natasha, you work for a lawyer, right?
I do.
In Dayton, work for a lawyer. And Jenna, you're now a lifeguard. Very exciting here on the RV tour.
So exciting.
There you go, baby.
I get the small one. That's a gluten-free, I don't know if it's cauliflower, but I'm trying to be good for now. Let's see what happens here.
Yeah, so things are so all the information we provided, we did an initial analysis was staying
hours ago, heading into Ohio. And we should be in Ohio any second now. Coming to you from Odyssey Studios on the road of the 2024 Unbelievable RV Tour. We are now in Ohio.